August 31st, 12:54 p.m. The Xavier University Television Center was foolish enough to give a set of keys to a group of Xavier students. No one anticipated, much less prepared for the sheer chaos that was certain to ensue. One never knows who they are, where they lurk, or what they're up to next. The mission? To uncover all outrageous thoughts and ideas that dwell within the depths of the human mind. To discover the zany and often mindless antics that drives one to act so mischievous and eccentric. College life is never black and white, so beware, you may be marked.